light. Physics, uncountable, visible electromagnetic radiation. The human eye can typically detect radiation, light, in the wavelength range of about 400 to 750 nanometers. Nearby shorter and longer wavelength ranges, although not visible, are commonly called ultraviolet and infrared light. A source of illumination. Spiritual or mental illumination, enlightenment, useful information. In the plural, now rare, facts, pieces of information, ideas, concepts. A notable person within a specific field or discipline. Painting, the manner in which the light strikes a picture, that part of a picture which represents those objects upon which the light is supposed to fall, the more illuminated part of a landscape or other scene, opposed to shade. A point of view, or aspect from which a concept, person, or thing is regarded. A flame or something used to create fire. A firework made by filling a case with a substance which burns brilliantly with a white or colored flame. A window, or space for a window in architecture. The series of squares reserved for the answer to a crossword clue. Informal, a cross light in a double acrostic or triple acrostic. Open view, a visible state or condition, public observation, publicity. The power of perception by vision. The brightness of the eye or eyes. A traffic light, or, by extension, an intersection controlled by one or more that will face a traveler who is receiving instructions. Transitive, to start, a fire. Transitive, to set fire to set burning. Transitive, to illuminate, to provide light for when it is dark. Intransitive, to become ignited, to take fire. To attend or conduct with a light, to show the way to by means of a light. Transitive, pinball, to make, a bonus, available to be collected by hitting a target, and thus light up the feature light corresponding to that bonus to indicate its availability. Having light, bright, clear, not dark or obscure. Pale or whitish in color, highly luminous and more or less deficient in chroma. Of coffee, served with extra milk or cream. Having little or relatively little actual weight, not cumbrous or unwieldy. Having little weight as compared with bulk, of little density or specific gravity. Of short or insufficient weight, weighing less than the legal, standard, or proper amount, clipped or diminished. Lacking that which burdens or makes heavy. Cooking, not heavy or soggy, spongy, well raised. Gentle, having little force or momentum. Easy to endure or perform. Low in fat, calories, alcohol, salt, etc. Unimportant, trivial, having little value or significance. Obsolete, unchaste, wanton. Not encumbered, unembarrassed, clear of impediments, hence, active, nimble, swift. Dated, easily influenced by trifling considerations, unsteady, unsettled, volatile. Indulging in, or inclined to, levity, lacking dignity or solemnity, frivolous, airy. Not quite sound or normal, somewhat impaired or deranged, dizzy, giddy. Easily interrupted by stimulation. Carrying little. Curling, a stone that is not thrown hard enough. Sea lights, lungs. Nautical, to unload a ship, or to jettison material to make it lighter to lighten, to ease of a burden, to take off. To find by chance. To stop upon, of eyes or a glance, to notice, archaic, to alight, to land or come down. L I G H T Light.